raccoons and kitties. Today we're here with my little sister, Summer. You want to say hi?
That's a code name, by the way.
Shut up, nobody knows that.
So no cursing?
No cursing.
Okay, so I can't place a hex on you.
Please don't place a hex.
Okay.
So she's going to be reacting to Bungo Stray Dog characters. She has seen the show. Some of it. So she may know some of these characters.
That guy is,
You have to give them a name, personality, ability, and tell them which of the 4 organizations they work for. Okay? Just begin. You're already starting.
Instead of me just guessing the character?
Yep, you, if you don't know them, you can give them weird name. I don't know.
I know this one. He
What's his name? you can just give them a random name.
I'm gonna call you Marm.
Marm?
I'm gonna call you Marmalade.
Do you remember his personality?
He's, suicidal?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I shouldn't have told you. Nah. Okay, after that, I'm not telling you if you're right or wrong.
He's, working for the good guys.
The ADA.
The ad.
The ad. Yeah, there's the ADA, Mafia, Guild, and Mice.
The ADA.
The ADA. Okay, what's his ability? Do you remember? You can give him a random ability if you want.
Forget.
What's his superpower?
His superpower is, I don't know.
Just give him a random one then.
Oh,
you heard what Maywan said?
No.
Okay.
Time.
Time?
Man.
Time control?
Time man.
I'm trying to touch my pole with my foot, but I can't.
If I animate this in the future, you know this is gonna be really weird.
You know this is going on my YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Who's he? It's a main boy.
He's the main character. He's a tiger. They have a superpower. He's working for the Addy.
What's his name?
Asushi.
It's Asushi. I'm not telling you if you got it right or not.
Tell me, did I get it
No,
right?
I can't till the end.
Okay, so his name's Asushi. A sushi, a piece of sushi. And,
One moment. Sorry, our, I guess soon-to-be stepdad walked in.
You dressed up as the Dark Man for Christmas.
I did. Christmas?
I mean, Halloween.
I was evil. I was the evil character for Halloween. Who's she?
She looks like man.
Man.
She looks like a man.
Is this a trap?
No, I don't know.
What's her name?
His name?
That's a girl.
Okay, that's a gal. That's a gal.
That's a gal.
Don't.
Felicia.
Franklin.
Franklin?
Her name is Franklin.
Okay. I'm guessing her nickname's Frankie.
No, her name is Franklin.
Okay. Her
Just
ability?
Franklin.
Her ability?
Fireflies or something.
I mean butterflies.
Butterflies, yeah, that's the thing.
Okay, her personality.
She's like,
This is probably funnier than when E did it.
I don't know.
Like, is she angry? Is she overly happy?
She looks like the kind of gal that wants to sell me something. Like, hello there, sir. Do you want a blender today?
Sir? You mean ma'am?
Hello there, ma'am, and or even sir. Do you want to sell me? I mean, can I sell you something today?
Okay, and who does she work for?
The bad guys.
The Mafia?
Yeah, I think so.
There's the Mafia, the Guild, the ADA, and the Mice.
The Mice.
She works for the Mice.
I think she works for the Mice.
I'm gonna say this before I get to the next character, because I always do this on the next character.
Okay.
The 4 leaders of the 4 organizations are in here. So if you think that one of them is one of the 4 leaders, say it.
How many characters are there?
A lot.
Oh no.
Who's he? He has no eyebrows.
Okay, he's the leader of the bad guys.
The Mafia?
The Mafia.
The Mafia. He has no eyebrows.
I know. Wait, what?
He has no eyebrows.
Oh my god. He has no eyebrows.
Okay.
His name is
His
his name is Jorm.
name's Jorm.
Sure, his name is now Jorm.
Some of these are authors.
Oh no.
I have some of the books. Where's my books?
Oh god, if Stephen King is in here and I give him the name Drudler or something like that, oh god.
One book.
My dad would be so upset with me. Mr. Malfeasant.
Mr. Malfeasant. Okay. Yeah, like
Don't throw a book at me.
Here's a hint.
Oh, his name's Poe.
That's not Poe.
Oh no, it's not Poe, it's Jorm.
His ability?
This is like, he's like Nightshade or something. Like a Pokemon ability is Nightshade.
You know what's funny?
No.
Our stepdad Voltec
Yeah.
and your dad
Uh-huh.
are both YouTubers, and
Same
now
with-
I'm a YouTuber.
Same with you.
Same with me.
Same with you.
It runs in the family.
Same chew.
And we have 2 different dads, so that's saying something.
Chew.
Oh, Mom was a YouTuber too.
I'll sneeze.
Okay.
Aw, dog.
What's his
Sneeze,
personality?
man. He's sketchy.
He's sketchy.
Yeah.
And he works for the mafia, right? You said he's the leader of the mafia.
Yeah.
His sister's on here.
Oh.
I'll tell you when we get to her. Who's she? She reminds me of you.
Oh, she's pretty. I feel like she's mad. Not all the time, but like she's mad sometimes.
Okay, what's her name? I'm gonna continue trying looking for my book.
Gorg.
Gorg?
George. Her name is George.
I have another book from an author that's in here, and I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
One moment.
I don't think the audience can see what is going on right
no,
now.
they can't, but I am at my bookshelf looking for this book. This is William Shakespeare. That is not what I'm
Wow.
looking for. I'm not looking for Shakespeare.
How unprofessional of you. Right in front of your audience.
We're in my room, so I can't help it. Where did my book go?
I don't know.
Did you steal it?
This one?
I'm not looking for my Poe book.
What are you...
I'm sorry, that's my favorite
What are
book.
you looking for?
I was
then?
looking for my Tanizaki book.
Okay.
Oh, I know I said the name. Okay.
Does she have eyebrows?
She died.
Okay.
You're just gonna be checking if everyone has eyebrows.
Yes, her name is now George.
Why
And
is her
she's
name
pretty.
George?
She's working for the middleman.
Middleman.
The
The mice or the guild?
The mice.
They're the middle people.
The mice.
The mice. If you say Muffin Man, for the
The
one
Muffin Man.
Muffin Man's in here. I'll tell you when we get to him, because E said Muffin Man.
Okay.
Okay. What's her ability?
No.
She doesn't have one.
She has fire.
Fire.
She looks like she can control fire.
Ooh.
That's how pretty she looks. She looks like fire. She has a fire.
You have to
temper.
guess both of these two.
I know them. They're brother and sister.
They're incests.
Yeah.
We both don't like the girl, don't we?
No.
The girl is the main incestian.
No.
What was that word?
Incestian. It's a kind of alien.
What did you just put on my neck?
You don't
poke me?
want to know.
What did you do? What did
You
you
don't
do?
want to know what
did you
I
do?
put on your neck.
I'm taking my jacket off just for precautions.
I poked you.
Okay. I do have the one book from one of these two.
His name is and her name is
We have a mini Markiplier in the
His
making.
name is
I have
and
his
her
book.
name is
I have his book. I said the name.
Oh.
Starts with a T.
Timmy.
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 His name is Timmy now?
Timmy.
And what's her name? Starts with an N. You just go to Oh, this is volume 2. Where's volume 1?
North.
North? Oh,
North.
that's a cute name.
That's a cute name. Not for this one though.
Not for this one? For somebody else?
Yeah.
Not for this incestian that we hate?
Insect.
Incest?
Next.
No, you didn't give them an ability or who say they work for.
Oh, she's invincible.
And him?
He's a
Bees.
fly.
He's a fly.
He can transform into wolves.
That's my character. That's my OC.
I don't
Okay,
know.
it's fine. We'll leave that in. Okay, who did they work for?
The good guys.
The 80 guy.
The Addy.
You know him.
He's He's good.
Mm-hmm.
He has a tail. He has a rat tail for. He
He said he's good, so he works for the ADA.
Yeah, he has like this power to like eliminate people's like powers.
Okay.
Or am I thinking of someone else?
I'm not telling you.
He works for the good guys.
ADA?
Yeah, the Addy.
The Addy. You haven't said anyone for the guild yet.
I don't know anymore.
The guild are English authors.
Oh.
So if you think they're guild, just say guild.
Okay, goodbye. Next.
What's his name?
Oh. Oh.
His name's O?
No.
You were watching the movie with the alien O yesterday. Home? You were watching Home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's his name? Starts with a K. Okay, stop.
And then an alien bursts out of my chest like. Wow. Are you okay? Can you not even breathe? Are you okay?
I couldn't breathe. Wait, I think I know where my Tanizaki book is.
Are you okay right now, man? His name is his name will be Daniel.
Okay. Who is he? It's Richie McRicherson. I want my jacket back.
I think he works for the guild. Nah.
The guild?
Nah.
No.
Nah.
I'm getting my Rashomon
Nah,
back.
dog. He works for the bad guys.
Technically, there's 3 bad guys.
I mean the good guy. I mean the bad. I mean the good. I don't know anymore. I think he works for the middleman.
There's 2 middlemen.
Ah!
The mice and the guild.
The guild.
He's the guild? Is he the leader or is he just an underling?
He's an underling.
An underling?
I don't know his name. Let's call him Georgie.
You keep saying George.
Let's call him Mike.
Mike Schmidt.
No, Mike.
Mike Schmidt.
No,
Markiplier.
No, Mike.
There is a mark in this.
No. I mean, maybe.
There is a mark in here.
Okay, so his name.
Have you read Huckleberry Finn? Or Tom Sawyer?
Mark Robber.
You mean Mark Twain?
I mean Mark Robber.
Okay.
He
So-
writes books.
Is that his name?
No.
Mm.
His name is.
What's his ability? Stop with the alien noises! Are you only doing this because this is going on YouTube?
No, I'm a bird. He
How are we related? Dum 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 dum.
Look at that face, man. Look at that face.
Mom said he was ugly.
He is very ugly.
It's hard to think he has a wife.
He has a wife?
It's hard to think he has a wife. Named Zelda.
His wife. What?
His wife's name is Zelda.
Are you sure about that?
Is this the rich version of Link?
His name is now Link. He has magical sword powers.
He's just Link.
He's now Elfman. And he
Who's
works
he?
for. Oh my God! He's Poe.
Who's the raccoon?
He's Anchor Allan Poe.
Anchor?
No.
What's the raccoon's name?
Cute.
What?
It's cute. Its name is now Cute.
That's the raccoon's name.
He works for the guild.
Okay. What's his ability?
Writing. Put you into his books.
Okay. Who's his rival?
A book.
A book? Is his rival?
His rival is
Were you in the room when I was revealing this?
No, I was in the other.
You were in the other room playing your video games.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You don't have a YouTube channel. But James does. Oh, Voltec does.
Sorry, what did you just say to us?
Said
the raccoon.
He said like and subscribe. And turn on notifications.
Like, subscribe, and turn on notification, guys.
Thank you. Cute. That's what you named the raccoon, right?
Yes, named Catcoon.
Catcoon? Who is he? Who is he? Who is he?
He's an author. I don't know what kind of author his name is. He is now Jim. Jim is a good guy. He is part of Gil.
Okay.
Jack and Gil went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Jack and Gil?
That was the original rhyme. Next, wait, no, his power is, I don't know. Books.
Oh, it's the black cat!
Okay, her.
Oh, you know this girl?
She has power of crows. She can control crows.
Okay, what's her name?
She looks shifty.
She's related to another character on the roster.
Her name is
It's an alcohol.
Beer.
Beer-atrice?
Whiskey.
Whiskifer.
Whiskifer. Her name is Gin.
I'm not telling you if you're right or wrong.
Gin.
I can't tell you if you're right or wrong.
Gin. Gin.
Do you want to see who she's related to?
No!
I'll show you at the end then.
Okay.
She does have eyebrows, I think. I can't tell if she does or doesn't.
Here, let's zoom in.
Oh no! Does she have eyebrows? It's too pixelated to tell.
She has eyebrows, you
I
idiot.
think she does. I'm just checking. You were
She's-
checking if she had eyebrows.
She's part of the bad guys.
The mafia?
The Mufu.
Mufu.
The Mufu.
Okay. Does she have an ability? Wait, you said she has control over ravens. It's the Muffin Man!
That's not a muffin man.
I know, he looks more like a marshmallow than a muffin.
No, he looks more...
He's a Russian. And you should know that.
I know. He looks more Russian than muffin.
Autumn is... I'm sorry, I said the wrong thing. Summer here is a country human fan. Isn't that right?
I am part man and part woman. I don't know anymore.
Non-binary.
No, I am binary.
Do you know what binary means?
No.
Do you know what non-binary means?
No.
It means you have no gender.
Oh. Well, I am woman.
Okay. What is his name?
His name is...
He is Russian.
Tord.
Tord? It's Tord?
Yeah.
I think Tord's Norwegian, though.
Good version of Tord.
Good Tord. Why, but his hair's not brown. He's not wearing red.
The good version.
Okay.
He's wearing red boots.
He is.
Those boots are red.
They're very fancy. Mom wanted a pair. That's how you can tell they're good boots. When your mom wants them.
Those are some good boots.
You eat them.
Eat his
You can
boots.
eat leather. I can
feel
eat
like-
leather.
I feel like he's part of the, guild.
Okay. You only said one mice person.
No, I didn't. I
Yes, you
said
did.
2.
Well, you didn't say them a lot. So.
Shh.
That was me meowing, by the way. Okay. So his name is Tord. He works for the guild. What's his ability and personality?
He looks friendly.
Okay.
Yeah.
His ability? Mr.
To make eyebrows appear and disappear all the random people. No.
Who's he? He's a father figure to one of the other characters.
He's a good guy. He's
Okay.
he's got white hair. His name is his name is Jock.
Jock.
Jim.
Jim. His name's Jim.
Jared. Jared.
His name's Jared.
His name is now Jared. Yes, Jared. Okay. So
Ability.
he looks like a water guy.
A water guy?
Water.
Like a waterbender? He
Yeah.
looks more like an earthbender.
No, shush water.
And personality. I was trying not to burp.
Father figure.
Yeah. Oh, that's his personality. Who's she?
She looks like a...
She looks like the Wendy's person.
Yeah, you're right. She looks like a Wendy's girl. She looks like the Wendy's girl.
That's what Mom said.
Oh my god, we found Wendy's girl.
Her name's not Wendy.
Man, we found the Wendy's girl.
I want my pole.
Don't you dare.
I want my pole.
Her personality is friendly.
Okay.
She works for the Mufu.
The Mafia. The Mafia? The Port Mafia? Okay, let's stop. And her ability?
She looks...
I'm sorry, I just cracked my neck.
I don't know what her ability is.
Does she have one?
No, I don't think she does.
Okay. What's her name?
Rose.
Okay. Oh, that's... E named her flower.
Rosemary.
Who's he?
He looks like a grandpa.
Colonel Sanders.
Oh my god, he is? No, he isn't.
That's what Mom said.
Okay, he's part of the guild.
Okay.
He looks like an author.
They're all named after authors.
Exactly, he looks like an author.
So what's his name?
I don't know.
Think of authors.
I don't read many books.
Think of ones that me and Mom and your dad read. If you say Stephen King.
Even Bing.
Even Bing.
Yep, that's Stephen King's brother.
Even Bing. Okay. So is this Stephen or is this his brother?
It's Stephen.
Is it Stephen King?
Stephen.
Okay. His name's Stephen.
His name is
Stop
now
trying to turn off phone. Okay. His ability?
Make books come alive.
Okay. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, his personality.
Oh, personality.
You want to hear what Mom said?
He looks nice.
Mom said that he's like the grandfather to her. That's not true.
Next.
Pedophile!
Oh, he's a bad guy.
He's a pedophile. He's a pedophile. He said he prefers girls over prefers girls over 12. Or under 12, I don't know. You're safe on me. I won't let him get to you. He's all the way in Japan, so don't worry. We're safe here in America. What?
No, not Japan.
We are planning on going to Japan in the future.
Not now, in the future.
But you'll be way overaged for him, don't worry. He'll probably be dead. He probably is dead.
To tell you the truth, he
He doesn't even exist. The author he's based off of is dead, so.
Okay, so he's not an author.
Hmm?
He's an author.
He is an author. They're all authors.
They are?
All of them.
So they're all in the guild?
No!
He's in the bad guys.
The Mafia? Where do his pants end and his boots start?
Where does his top end and his boots end?
Where does his outfit end?
I don't know.
Why is everything one color?
I don't know anymore, man.
Okay, what's his name?
His name is
Jerkface.
Jerk.
His name's Jerk.
His name is
And
now
his
Jerk.
ability? Being a pedophile.
Yeah, that's his ability.
Being a pedophile is his ability.
Pedophile.
Pelophile.
He defies the laws of pillow gravities. What was that? We don't even own a bird. What was that?
I have become a smoke alarm.
A really annoying smoke alarm.
Who's he?
He's a bad guy. He's
using his ability.
Cthulhuing. His name is Jerk.
You mean Lovecraft?
It's Lovecraft.
That's the author of Cthulhu.
Oh yeah. H.P.
You're sitting on my cloak.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No,
It blends
I'm
in
not.
with your shirt.
No, I'm not.
You have become one with the cloak.
Yes, I
And your
have.
blanket's still in here.
I
Okay.
know.
Okay, so this is Lovecraft.
Okay.
What's his ability? He's literally using it.
Cthulhuing.
Personality.
Cthulhu-y.
Just everything Cthulhu.
No.
Everything black, don't, no.
He's either
No,
the bad
no.
guy or the good guy.
he could be a part of the two that you haven't named.
What?
Guild and mice.
Oh, mice!
Is that it?
He's the mice!
Who's he? He got the crazy eyes!
He looks like a farmer or a man that, like, works at McDonald's.
Is he McDonald's? Because we had Colonel Sanders and Wendy's.
It's Ronald McDonald himself.
And he works with Cthulhu.
He's bad!
You said that Cthulhu's mice, so that means he's mice.
He's mice!
What's his name?
He's infected with mice. His name is Mouse. His name is Spouse.
Spouse?
No.
Okay.
His name is Jericho.
Wait, that's from Seven Deadly Sins.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's from a game I played.
Jericho's from Seven Deadly Sins.
Jericho's from a game I played.
Okay. And his ability? She's stuck in between my bed, my mattress, and the bed frame.
I need help.
Okay.
Don't pull on my leg, but pull on my leg.
I think you're getting out on your own fine.
No, I'm not. I'm a crab. You see?
She's a Cancer. She's Carcat.
I don't have cancer, but I'm fine.
She's Carcat.
Okay, so his name is Ronald.
Okay. His ability?
I don't know. Serving me McDonald's meals?
Serving McDonald's meals?
Aww.
Blank pages at the end of my book. Huh? Okay, we just gotta buzz through it fast. No. Yes. No.
I'm bored.
Come on, I'll tell you who they all are soon.
No.
We have like 1, 2, 3 more characters and then we're done.
We are?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. So you already guessed him. Who's this? This is
Rambo!
who is he shipped with?
I don't know.
Starts with a P.
Pants. He likes pants. Po!
I literally smacked my book. I smacked the book. Okay, what's his ability?
I like,
How is this boring when we have moments like this?
It's just,
What's his ability?
like super intense staring at things. I don't know, paying attention really well.
Is that why he needs glasses?
No!
Okay.
He, like, takes off his glasses and it's like, whooshoo!
He puts on his glasses?
I mean, he puts on his glasses and he's like, whooshoo! I can see everything now.
I'm curious on how you remember him.
I don't know. Bongo Strodogs?
I agree with that.